Welcome to the Renee Report, bringing you issues of topical interest. Hello everyone, I'm Renee Mehra and welcome to the Renee Report, bringing you issues of topical interest. Today I'm at the Hudson Eatery all the way on the west side, and I'm talking to Poonam K, and we know her very well. She's an actress, singer, TV star, and a very successful businesswoman. So I don't know how she balances creativity with her business savviness. And joining Poonam K and me, we have the Meet brothers, Manmeet and Harmeet. And we all know them from many music compositions and songs, whether it's Baby Doll, Chittiyan Kalaiyan, or whether it's Janta Rocks Party To Banti Hai, and then of course, what was the Hangover? Yes, Salman Khan, he made him sing for that song. So Meet brothers, when they meet Poonam K, what happens? It's another album, a song. So let's talk to Poonam, and then we're going to talk to Manmeet and Harmeet. How did you guys connect and discover?
So, yeah, Poonam, actually, I'll tell you in the beginning only the secret. We have made her sing so much in the last 2 days that now her voice is
She's lost her voice.
She's lost her voice thanks to us because even her actually, she was so persistent that I gave the best shots, best takes. So we were like, okay, keep singing, and then she lost her voice. But anyways, how we connected was through a common friend. We were always looking out, hunting for a great voice and golden voice, and we told a friend Rajji that we are on a lookout for a new voice now, because we have a friend Kanika Kapoor who sang Baby Doll and Chittiyan Kalaiyan, and we thought we should have a different flair also. Now London is done. How about New York? So Rajji said, yeah, I have a very dear friend from New York, and it'll be great because a lot of Bollywood composers, they don't really experiment on talent over here. So it's untapped. And we believe that now the world has become a small place. So why not have Indians who are settled here? And that's when we met her, and we told her that we want to record you. And she was kind enough to say that, why don't you guys come down here? It'll be nice to record in New York because it'll give you guys a different flair. So that's how it all started.
So the great golden voice is right here. I know today you're kind of voiceless.
It has been the most amazing experience of my life to work with them. We actually finished work ahead of schedule, so we decided to go out, and so I'm paying the penalty of that.
That's great. So this is an untitled album or track at this time?
Yeah, it is. It is actually for a Bollywood movie.
Yes.
We had originally planned to collaborate on a single, but the way song has come out, and currently there are a lot of producers in Mumbai who need a lot of songs from us, and we don't really have the songs to give them because we've been very busy with our current projects. So luckily, much to a surprise, these songs have shaped up very well. They have Bollywood written all over them. So we'd rather give it in the movies because in India, songs have a bigger reach if they go in the movies. So we would love to launch Poonam as a playback singer with these songs because they're apt for her. It's although she's not a Punjabi, but she's done a very good job. No one can tell that a non-Punjabi has sung these Punjabi songs because it came out right because she's really hardworking. She knows how to emote, she knows how to express. And I think music is a lot about who you are, whether you're a musician or a singer. That's why we like to experiment, and we thought of collaborating with someone who lives in New York because the culture here is different. The way you think is different. So we were like, if we bring a singer who's lived in New York and who thinks differently, so obviously there'll be a lot of stuff which will be quite different than the other regular singers in India. So that vibe is very important, the fresh New York vibe. So that will work for the song, like Harmeet said, the UK vibe came with Kanika in Baby Doll. So we like to tap the vibes, and it works because, she's a very positive person. She's very passionate, and she lost her voice, and she lost it because we came all the way to get her voice, and we're taking it back with us.
That's so So wonderful. It's so touching and moving. I mean, you know, you have this New York, New Jersey flavor that you're putting out in this Bollywood movies. So what genre are we talking about? Ballad or Bhangra? Or,
Out and out Punjabi song.
all Punjabi, all out Punjabi song.
Out and out, full energetic. What we are best at. We realize that right now the flavor of the season is Punjabi. Our songs have been hit, and even New York, I got to know in the clubs, people are still playing the Bollywood clubs. They play a lot of Punjabi, and plus she also connected. She says, "Yeah, I would love to do Punjabi with you guys." Dancing where even kids can dance and even grandparents can dance. So all age group. We are not specifically making like a wedding song or a romantic song. We are making a very generic song which is for you, for us, and for everyone.
Give us an idea of the lyrics, you know. I know because Punjabi songs have a lot of vibrancy, a lot of color, and there's so much of enthusiasm when you sing. There's so much of passion in there. Not that other songs don't, but there's something about Punjabi, you know. So share give us a little idea, like a couple of lines, you know, what Poonam has sung.
We see today song is a very exclusive product. It's all about the words you get a fresh idea and that's how the song sounds different. So can't really reveal the words, but I'll tell you what it is. How we like to see our music is very simple. It should be generic. It should appeal to one and all. And we've understood what girls like. They like songs where they can tell themselves, if not anyone else, right to the mirror that I'm beautiful, I look good, meri chittiyan kalaiyan hain, main doll hoon, and whatever is around their life, like they're telling their guys, "Mainu shopping kara de, mainu golden chumke dila de." So we bring all that into the songs because that's how they relate more. So these two songs, we kind of studied Poonam a lot, and we showed her pictures and everything to our writer as well. So when we were jamming on her songs, we like to tap on personalities. That's when you get a fresh idea, because you can't. And it's end of the day, it's all generic. A woman is a woman. There are only these specific things they all like, and all of them like it that way. So you have to bring them in the songs with utter simplicity. That it should just come, and the song should be hummable, it should be catchy, and it should be relatable. That's our three basic points that we work on. It should be danceable, it should be hummable, and it should be relatable.
So danceable, hummable, relatable, and beautiful tunes. I mean, it's gripping and riveting. That's what That's what music is all about. And it could be of any genre, and if it's got that, something that really touches your heart, and you can feel the pulse right in that music, it's a seller. So Poonam is a seller, right? How many? You've recorded 2 tracks with them?
Yes, I have. I've recorded 2 tracks.
Okay. So 2 tracks, and how many days?
We planned a week because we wanted to, now we are doing quality work rather than quantity. So with her, we thought instead of doing like 5 songs or 6 songs, let's do 2 songs, which will take about 5-6 days. But luckily, she was so well rehearsed and well practiced, and I think she's been doing her bit of music lessons. So it took us only 4 days, and we are out.
Well, you know that she's classically trained dancer and singer, so that's where all that comes in. And you folks also had your light vocal music training from Pandit Chaturvedi, right? Sukhdev Chaturvedi.
And now Mr. Sanjay Mishra. Sanjay Mishra is our guru for all the artists that we have, Kanika Kapoor and a lot of artists that we are doing, Khushbu, Shibani in Bombay. So when she comes to Bombay, that'll be her guru. And see, it's very important that your vocals are in today's time well tuned, because it saves a lot of studio time, hard work, and you can work on expressions, on emotion of the song and the feel of the song. So when your throat is fine, you know the song well, then you just work on those things. And it was very easy with working with her. She knew the song well. We sent it to her before and she prepared. And it's coming out very nice, and this is just an introduction round. When we release the song, then we'll sit with you again on the same couch.
Now that's the $1 million question. When the song is going to be released?
In Bollywood, how it works is that we have about 15 films on floor, and they all need good songs from us. And because we travel a lot for shows, we have a set act for weddings, and people love to call call us for their weddings, and because we have very peppy music, we make them dance, and they love to have us at the wedding. So that keeps us very busy. So we're not able to deliver as much as we should be. So originally we had collaborated this for a single, but we'll go back and quickly we'll put it in some of the other film. But what I can tell you is that in about 3 months I'll be able to tell you which movie both the songs have gone into. Maybe earlier, 3 is on the higher side. So we'll quickly just go and figure out where, because it's very important today. A song works not just because it's a good song. There are a lot of factors which go behind it. It has to be shot right. It has to be in the right film. The right performer should be able to carry that beat forward. They should dance well on it. Otherwise, the song doesn't look good. So we make a good song, but there are other people who come in and either they'll make it look good or they'll finish it. So it's our duty to make sure that good music goes in the right hands. So today, with great humility, we request the producers that please, this is not the genre that works for the story that you have, and without you should not be offended, and you should understand that this is music. But we had a great time here coming to New York. Poonam made sure that she turned New York into Mumbai for us. Not even once we felt that we are in such a fast-paced, most expensive city in the world. She booked. We stayed right at the Times Square. Our studio was right there. We got home-cooked food from her, and she made sure that...
Poonam.
Yeah, that's Poonam. So that helps you, give your best. That's why the product has come out very well. We are very happy with the way she's sung.
That's great, Poonam. That's the greatest accolade that you can get from Meet Brothers. Now, marketing has changed with social media, and now the minute song, it's all over. You can put it on wireless devices. It's everywhere. So there's not much you can do. It's like viral. Everything goes viral. So do you think that really has helped people who are in this industry to grow? But at the same time, you have a lot of competition because everywhere everybody's got their stuff out in the social media. So how do you see yourselves, the balance coming in over here with marketing techniques? You got to be really strategic now how you plan it out.
Well, there is first of all the positive side, which is huge. That's the music has become every mobile's
That's an app.
it's a household. It's an app. It's a household commodity. Anybody can listen to me now. You don't have to go and buy CDs and tapes. So in a way, this technology is helping us a lot in spreading the music and making it much larger than life. It's become part of everyone. Even people who never used to listen to music is listening to music. So tomorrow, when her song comes in, if it turns out to be great, if God blesses it, then everyone will know that she's a great singer. But at the same time, what we would really like to, somehow make a change, that the free downloads, which is really killing which is making the music bleed. That's killing the single market. Okay, Bollywood music is working well because there are film actors, there are big videos, big budgeted videos, and overall it survives. But single market is not happening right now because everybody just downloads the music and nobody is really watching small budgeted videos because there are no returns. So there are pros and cons, but right now we are happy that our songs are doing well. Baby Doll, Chittiyan Kalaiyan. Now recently,
Lachhe Parathe.
yeah, Lachhe Parante, you can call it. It sounds cute from your mouth, Lachhe Parante, but the song name is Nacha Parate. That's why.
So I just changed it.
I didn't tell her the real name, that it's Nacha Parate. When she asked me what's your new song, I said Nacha Parate, and she said, oh, Lacha Parate. I said, yeah, exactly. So Nacha Parate is with Abhishek Bachchan and Sonakshi Sinha for All Is Well, which is releasing in 2 weeks. The week after that is Welcome Back with John Abraham, Anil Kapoor's Nana Patekar, and the week after that is another film by Salman Khan. So whatever you've heard of Meet Bros was just a trailer. Now we are coming we are arriving. Yeah.
So can we get a little bit of a song from you, your latest one, Nacha Parathe?
ਮੱਚਦਾ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਢੋਲ ਵੇ ਢੋਲ ਕਿਤੇ ਚਮਚ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਰੋਲ ਵੇ ਦੇ ਦੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਰਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਨੱਚ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ 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 ਵੇ ਪਾਕੇ ਕੁੜੀਓ ਹਾਰ ਪੂਰੇ 9 ਲੱਖ ਦੇ ਨੱਚੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੇਸੀ ਢੋਲਕ ਤੇ ਪੈਗ ਪੀ ਕੇ ਤੇਰੀਆਂ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਡਾਲਰ ਵਾਰਾ ਲੱਖਾਂ ਜੇ ਤੂੰ ਨੱਚਦੀ ਰਵੇ ਮੈਂ ਨੱਚਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਨੱਚਾਂ ਫਰਾਟੇ ਮਾਰ ਕੇ ਅੱਜ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਫੰਕਸ਼ਨ ਤੇ मैं नचा फराटे मार गए अज तेरे नाल फंक्शन ते ना बैठा मैं थक हार गए अज तेरे नाल फंक्शन ते
Whoa, well, that was great. Awesome. That was Meet Brothers for you with Poonam K. That's their latest discovery, and Poonam's making her big foray into Bollywood films with these two tracks. So we wish you all the very best and hope you get your voice back. Well, they took your voice back to Mumbai, so that's what's happening, but we definitely want. But thank you so much, Manmeet and Harmeet Singh of Meet Brothers, going strong day by day, making such great strides all over in Indian music. I'm Renee reporting from Manhattan. Thank you so much for watching.
If you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe. I'm Dr. Renee Mehra. Stay healthy, stay positive.